everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make running white lines effects on a CapCut. So I have Lisa Blackpink pictures here. I want to add overlay of the Lisa Blackpink pictures again. Click on the overlay and then click add overlay and choose the same pictures. You have to resize it until the same as the main pictures. And then you can go back and click on the effects, click video effects, and going to comic, click on sketch. And after that you can click save and then click back again, click on the overlay, and we have to add marks. Click marks, click film strip, and move and change the size like this. Move it to the left corner and then click save, and you have to click keyframe, and after that move it to the end of the line, then click marks again and swipe the marks until the bottom right corner like this. Click save, and then the keyframe will automatically set like this, so the video will be like this. And then you can click back, going to effects, click on the effects, and then click object, and after that click overlay, save. If you don't satisfied with the sketch effect, you can click on the adjust and set it the atmosphere here, then click save. So this is the result. So this is how to make running white lines effects on CapCut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.